Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home. Students, today we are going to start our revision of lesson number 2, the living world. We already learned about the living world, right? As there are different plants, animals, their procedures, their characteristics, right? Today we are going to do this revision of this lesson number 2, the living world. See, as we learn about the characteristic, that is the about the growth, right? Then productions, as the excretions, photosynthesis, respirations, all these characteristics we learn. See, today we are going to start this questions answer or revision. You can see from your textbook question number 2, that is what helps them to breathe. See, all the animals have different characteristics. Same that breathing part is also different. That means which organ we use for the breathing. Like for the fish, what fish with the which help what help we take for the breathing? That is the gills. See, have you saw the fish has the nose? No. But he what which parts is used for the breathing? That is gills. Yes. Then next is the a snake. See, for the snake there is a lungs are there for the breathing. Then next a crane. Crane is a bird that is lungs added with air sac. That is the crane has the lungs but it is with the air sac. Okay. It is like the sac. It is fulfilled with air. Then next is the earthworm. Earthworm used for the breath, that is the skin. With the help of skin, the earthworm breathe. Then next is the man. That is we know. That is the lung. For the man, what we use? That is lung. And from our diaphragm, we come to know that is how we are breathing, right? Like our diaphragm is up and down, up and down. It is a process is always going on. Then next is a banyan tree. For the banyan, see, we learn about this about the animals and about man, human being. But what about the trees? Like your question is given for the banyan tree. That is the tiny pores on the leaves. What the banana trees have? There is some tiny holes, very small holes on their leaves, and for through this pores that the banyan tree took the breathing. Next is the caterpillar. Caterpillar is the spiracles. See, that means all the animals have the different parts and with the help of these things they breathe. Okay. Now, your question number 3 from your textbook, that is the filling the blanks. In that, your first question is the process by which plants make their own food is called. See, already we learned about that there is the process by which the plants make their own food. Being like the human being also making their own food and plants also making their own food. But what is that process in the plants? That process is called the photosynthesis. What is called? Photosynthesis. Then to inhale dash and to exhale dash is called respiration. See, what is the meaning of respiration? That means we are taking the air inside and leave the air outside, right? But in this process, exactly which air we are taking and which air is we are leaving? That is to inhale, what we take? Oxygen. To inhale oxygen and to exhale. Exhale means leave air out. Okay. To exhale carbon dioxide is called respiration. We are taking oxygen inside and we are leaving the carbon dioxide outside. Then next is the elimination of waste substances from the body is called, what is called? Excretion. That is also we learn. For the human being it is also excretion. That means what are the wastage from in our body that we leave. Okay. This process is called, that is elimination process called excretion. Like the same thing expression is happen or occur in the plants also. Through see, as the gum tree we know, right? Bubble tree, right? In the bubble tree expression is this process is occur as it eliminate the one substance, that is we call the gum, right? Sticky substance, that is called the excretion. Then next is the question number 4. Students, our next fourth question is the ability to respond to an event is called. See, that means we already learned that some plants are responding. Okay, and someone just treat you or some hot substance touch you, then what will happen? Suddenly we giving the response, right? Like that, the ability to respond to an event is called. What is that event is called? That is the stimulus or responsiveness. Okay. Then next, on completing their lifespan, every living thing dies. See, after our lifespan is completed, then what happens? The everything, that is every human being, animals, that dies, right? That means after whenever our lifespan is completed, then after that the human being or any animals will die. Then next question. See, from your textbook there is a question is given, write the uses of the following. That means the plants and animals are given and we have to learn about what is the uses of this animals and plants. Now first one is given about the honeybee. See, we learn about the honeybees, what from where we got the honey, that is because of the honey bees. Then what is the use of the honeybees? See, the honeybees collect nectar from the flowers and convert it into honey. Honey is stored in a bee hive. Bee wax and honey are the useful products for us. See what the honeybees are doing? They are collecting the nectar from the flowers, right? And they convert it into that nectar. Convert it into the honey, and that honey is very useful for us, and it is very tasty, right? And where honey is stored in a bee hive. See, one structure, that is the wall-like structure they made. There is a wax they are making, and they store this honey in the bee hive. Then honey can be used in confectionery and as a medicine. Honeybees help in pollination of the plants and thus are helpful for farmers and orchard owners. See, it is a medicine. It is also used as a medicine also. Many times for the cough and some like in the puja also we use the honey. Then next is about the shark. What is the shark? It is the fish, right? But what is the uses of this shark also? It is just a it is where it is live. It is live in sea. But what is that use? Shark liver oil is obtained from shark. Shark meat is also used as food. Shark fins are in a great demand in foreign countries as it is considered as the delicacy. Skin of shark is used for making some items. Shark meat is also used in cattle and poultry feed. See, shark is also very useful for us as the shark is used as the meat also. Shark oil is made from the shark fish. Then next, it is very demand in the foreigner country. It is used in the poultry feed also. In the skin also is useful. Okay. Then yaks. Next is about the yaks. Have you saw the yaks? How it is looking? See what is the use of this yaks? Then yaks are mainly used as the beast of burden and means of transport in a hilly, snow-clad region. See, as we use the donkey to carry the burden, same the yaks is used in the hilly region to carry the burden. In Nepal and Tibet, yaks are used for ploughing the fields. In our India, or what we use for the agriculture to for the fielding, that is the cows, right? But in Nepal, for the agriculture they use the yak for the ploughing. Yak meat is consumed in some remote areas. Yak milk and this cheese known as churpi as well as yak butter are widely used in Tibet. See, yak is also very useful in our area, in our country. We are not made the use of this yak, but it is very useful in Gini region. It is useful in Nepal, Tibet, as they use the yak milk, yak butter, right? Then next is about the sheep. What is the use of sheep? That you know very well, right? See, the sheep provide us with wool. First thing, that sheep provide us wool. At some places, sheep meat is used as food. Sheep milk is used by the shepherd community. From the excreta or pellets of sheep, a good quality fertilizer is obtained. Since sheep have a habit of grazing, they are used for clearing vegetation. See, first thing that sheep provide us wool. The sheep meat is also is used. Then next thing that sheep from sheep what we got? We can got the milk also, and it is sheep what doing the grazing the farm or grazing. Okay, that means what they are doing? They are clearing the vegetation. And from the excreta or pellets of sheep, good quality fertilizer is also used or obtained. Then next is about the earthworm. We many times we saw the earthworm in the especially rainy season, right? Then what is the use of this earthworm? Actually, earthworm is used in agriculture for the farming. It is very useful, right, for the agriculture. How? See, the earthworm wriggle through the soil. They help in the composition of dead and decaying remains of animals and plants. They loosen the soil. With the help of earthworms, vermicomposting of the degradable vesicles is also done. Due to earthworm, soil becomes fertile. Therefore, they are considered as the friends of farmers. See how just observe how the earthworm is just doing the movement, right? That means actually what the earthworm doing, that loses the soil, and so that very useful for the farmers as they loses the soil. As we can say that the earthworm are the friends of farmers, and main thing they are doing the decomposition, decomposed also, right? As the dead animals are there. Then next is about the dogs. What is the use of dogs? They protect our house, right? Dog is a loyal and faithful animal and considered as the best friend of a man. Dog guards the house and properties of his owner. Sniffer dogs are trained to track narcotics and explosives. Due to this, they are in the team of police and army. Dogs play with children and entertain them. Dogs are also used for medical research. See, many times we have the dogs in our house. That means they protect our house. The dogs are very useful for the police also. They are used for the medicine research also. As other dogs are playing with children and their entertainment. Right? That means dogs is very useful, and most of the from here also most of the students like dog. Right? Yes. Then next is the bulbs. See what is that? In many times at the coastal areas or in the coast of the bank of the river, in the sea, you can see that. See what is that and what is the use of this? That bivalves is a soft-bodied animal inside two shells. These shells are made up of calcium carbonate. These cells have multiple uses. Decorative articles are made from this. The crushed shells are also used in building material. In medicinal preparations, the cells are used. See, that is the bivalve is a soft body animal. It is live in the two cells, and these cells are used for the decoration purpose also, that is crushing parts is also used for the making or building, for the building purpose also. Then it is used that shells are used for the medicine also. Okay. The soft animal inside the shell is considered as a delicacy. Pearls are cultured inside the shell of bivalves called pearl oyster. Then next is about horses. See, what is the use of horses? The horses used as means of transport since olden days. They also draw carts and carriages in army and police posts too. Horses are used. Racing of horses is also a sport. See, many times we saw the sports for the horses. Racing is also there, right? Then in olden, from the olden, since olden days, the horses is used to carry the burden. It is also carrying. Just we can take the ride for the entertainment also, right? Then next is the mice. Mice are more harmful than being useful. They destroy the food and also cause transmission of diseases like plague. However, they are used in biology labs as the experimental animal. See, mice are useful where it is useful in the biological for the experiments, but otherwise it is harmful as it will destroy the food and it spreads the diseases. So there is a less useful, but there is mice are harmful also. Then next, what is the, now we are going to study about the uses of the plants. That is, first one is ginger. What is the use of ginger? We use the ginger for the cooking, for the food. We use the ginger as the medicine also. But let's see. Ginger is used in various dishes. It is also used as popular medicine. Ginger extract is the remedy for all kinds of aches and pains. Dried ginger powder is of great medicinal value. As a home remedy, ginger and sunt are safely used against headache, acidity. See, as we use the ginger for the food purpose, for the medicine purpose, we can dry that ginger and we can use the sunt powder. Okay, it is also very useful for the medicine. For what it is useful? For the headache, for the acidity. Okay. Then next is about the mango. Mango is considered as the king of fruit, right? As we always say, what is the king of the fruit? It is the mango. Mangoes ripen during summer season. They contain very high level of vitamin A and fructose sugar. Various products are prepared from mangoes such as mango juice, pulp, ice cream, squash, pickles, etc. Leaves of mango tree are considered to be scared by Hindu. They are used in religious events. See, mango is the king of fruit, right? Next thing, it is ripen in the summer season. Then we use from the mango what we can make. We can make the pickles, we can make the mango juices, right? Many things we can prepare by the mango with the help of use of the mango. Then next is the leaves of mango tree are considered to be scared by Hindus and they are used in the religious event. See, many times we saw that for the worship in the Hindus they use the mango leaves. So that leaves are also useful for worship of the mango tree. Then next is the bubble. What is about the use of the bubble tree? That is, the leaves and legumes of the bubble tree are used as cattle feed. The delicate twigs of the tree are used for cleaning teeth. Due to the thorny nature, the branches of bubble are used for making compounds and enclosures. The gum oozing out from the barks of the tree is a great demand. The wood of bubble is very tough and hence used in shipbuilding. See, one thing is that bubble tree, it is used for cleaning the tree, not stick. That is the thing that stems are used, right? That we use for the cleaning the tree. Then next thing, that is due to the thorny nature, the branches of bubble are used for the making the compound and enclosure. And the gum oozing, same already we learned that bubble tree oozing or excrete the gum, and that gum is very high demand. Then next about the teak. Teak wood is used for making furniture. Teak is therefore in a great demand. Wood from teak is used in house building for making doors and windows. Okay, teak wood is very strong. It is very good for the making furniture as a for the door, for the window, tables. The teak wood is used. Then next is spinach. Next is spinach. Spinach is very popular green leafy vegetables. It contains many vitamins and minerals and is rich in iron. Consuming spinach regularly keeps us in a good health. See, it is very popular leafy vegetables. Most of the person like to eat that, but some are hating, right? But it is very useful for us and it is give the rich in iron. Say consuming spinach regularly keep us the good health. If we consuming the spinach, not it is not necessary you have to eat that daily and daily. But do the consuming of the spinach regularly, then your health is good. It is also good remedy to relieve constipations. Then next is about the aloe vera. Say, have you saw the aloe vera leaf how it is, and it is very useful also, right? Aloe vera is medicinal plant. The sap and juice of aloe vera is very effective against different skin infection, cuts, bruises, burns and wounds. See, aloe vera where we can use for the cuts also burns. We can use that aloe vera sticky substance. Then consuming aloe vera juice regularly gives relief in digestive complaints. Aloe vera is also used in treatment of diabetes and cancer. See, it is very useful for the treatment of cancer and aloe vera. We can drink the aloe vera juice also, and because it is make the relief for the digestion complaint. So if you have the any some problems of the digestive systems, then you can consume the aloe vera drink, aloe vera juice. Then next, which is the next plant it is given, that is the turmeric. The turmeric we use in our house, right, for the food purpose, for if there is any cutting and what is there, then we apply the turmeric. The turmeric is regularly used in daily cooking. It has many medicinal properties. Turmeric is effective in wound healing as it has the antiseptic properties. Right, we already learned. It is used for the cooking daily in our food. Your mother is put the turmeric, and it is also used as the medicinal purpose. Then holy basil. Holy basil is medicinal herb. In Hindu religion, holy basil is considered to be very auspicious. Juice obtained from leaves of basil plant cause many diseases. See, it is also used as the medicinal. It is we can drink the juice, and it is very helpful for the many diseases. Then next is the karanja. From the tree, fruit, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and twigs of karanja, oil is excreted. See, from this karanja what we got? We got the oil. Then karanja is also used for the manufacture of bio biodiesel. Karanja is used as the fuel wood also. See, for the fuel purpose that karanja wood is used. Then mo, that is Maduka longifolia. The trees of mo are seen in forested areas. From the seeds and flowers of mo tree, medicinal and other extracts are obtained. See, from this now many things we learn that which trees are useful for the medicinal purposes. Many times we don't know about which tree it is useful for the which diseases this medicine, this tree we can use. Now I think you come to know about this other names are given, which is the which has the medicinal properties as the mo also has the medicinal properties. Then mulberry. The mulberry tree is of special importance for the occupation of sericulture. Silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves during its development. Then it converts itself into cocoon. From the cocoon, silk is obtained. Therefore, for every sericulture unit, cultivation of mulberry trees is considered to be an important task. See, that is the silk. Silkworm feeds on the mulberry. From there only they cocoon is procedure is done. Then from this what we got the silk. So that the mulberry that development is a more important task. Then grapevine. Grapevine. The popular grapes are the fruits of grapevine. Grapes are eaten fresh or are dried to make fragrances from them. Medicines are also manufactured from grapes. Wine is prepared from grapes. The seedless grapes from Maharashtra are exported. See, grape wine is made from the grapes, right? From the grapes, what we got, it is used for the medicinal purpose also, and it is used in grape wine also. Now, I hope you understood what is the uses of these plants and animal. Just do the revision of this lesson again at home.